الناس يتعبيدان يا ربي سيدي ربي أطاس الصبار عارفين الدار غنتموت في كنعان نحنا معروفين ملان السبع شهوات الإنسان أكو ذبها الإنسان
This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in East, West and Northwest Africa, West Europe and the United Kingdom. For listeners in East Africa, we're beaming this service on 11,935 kHz in the 25-meter band, 7,400 kHz in the 41-meter band, and 9,415 kHz in the 31-meter band. Our West and Northwest African listeners can tune in to us on 9,445 kHz in the 31-meter band, 7,410 kHz in the 41-meter band, and 11,580 kHz in the 25-meter band. Listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom can hear us on 7,550 kHz in the 41-meter band, 9,950 kHz in the 31-meter band, and 11,670 kHz in the 25-meter band. Now let us look at our program schedule for this transmission. At midnight hours Indian Standard Time, that is 18:30 hours UTC, we will bring you a literary magazine program, Horizon. Radio News will go on the air as usual at 0040 hours IST, that is 19:10 hours UTC. Our music selection will be devotional music, Hindustani classical vocal music, light music, and 2 brief sessions of Memories Linger On, our program based on from songs of yesteryear. The news bulletins for this 2-hour transmission will be hourly at 18 and 19 hours UTC. Commentary will be at 18:10 and 19:30 hours UTC. And press review at 19:05 hours UTC. Those are the details of the programs for this transmission. We now begin with devotional music, in which we bring you hymns performed by Prabha Bharati and Party.